Hey guys, Rob from ClicksGeek.com. Today's video, I want to run through a case study for an estate planning lawyer, and this was from January of 2020 to March of 2020. And he obviously paused now because of all the COVID-19 stuff. But I wanted to just run through kind of some of the results he got here. So he had about 6,800 impressions. Oh, man, I cut off the clicks. I can't see how many clicks he got. 5.1% click-through rate. Average cost per click was $10. He spent $3,800 in that multi-month time frame. Got 55 leads at $69 a lead. Conversion rate was 15%, which is lower than we normally deal with. We're usually above 20, but I'm pretty sure that's because we switched to maximize conversions bidding strategy, and it was still learning and figuring things out when we paused it. I think we started that in March of 2020. So I'm not too happy about the conversion rate, but it's still not that bad. Just 5%, we could have bumped it up, and I would have been happy with that. Total spend 3,800. That's not bad considering it's 3 months. So a little over $1,000 a month he spent. 55 leads. These are solid leads. These are people who are looking for an estate planning lawyer, or I think he was also doing wills and contracts, stuff like that. So they're all very direct keywords that are lawyer and attorney oriented. And the landing page was this is straight mobile traffic. I don't think there was any desktop, so these 55 leads are all phone calls, inbound phone calls. And the landing page was just all click to call buttons, and there wasn't even a contact form on there, so it wasn't even an option. Which that's probably why, now that I'm thinking about it, the conversion rate was not over 20%, which is fine. The budget he had running was, I believe, 50 a day. I don't have it in the screenshot at the moment, so I'm pretty sure it was around $50 a day. So it's a very simple campaign. I don't have much more on this guy because this is a screenshot from an older campaign. We don't have him anymore. He paused when all this stuff happened. But I'll try to get some more estate planning guys so I can run through a live campaign with you. So if you're interested in us running this type of campaign for you or your estate planning practice, or if you have a client who's an estate lawyer, just reach out below and we can talk about rolling out this type of campaign for you or your client. And these results are they're pretty easy to get, especially 15%. So we can just clone this and deploy it in your location, do some tweaks, and I'm sure we can get that above 20% conversion rate as well. Check out the description below this video. I put some links in there for you guys. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel.